Hey guys, so as you can see here, we're unboxing the Xiaomi Mi 90 or otherwise known as the Xiaomi K20 in other countries. This has recently been brought in the Philippines. We bought this at Robinsons. It's 17,990. We bought the 128 variant, and there's two colors that they have, the black and the blue. What we're unboxing here in the store to check it out if it's working, kung may defects or whatever, is the black version. So as you can see, it comes with the standard Type-C cable, the wall charger that has the round pins. Okay, so you probably need a adapter for that one. The volume button and the power button is located on the right side of the phone. And this is the model that actually pops up in camera. The selfie for camera actually pops up when you use it. So here we're turning on the phone so that you can see, of course, so that we can test it if it's actually working. It comes with a standard plastic casing already. The one that we saw, it comes in black. Okay. So it comes in the box already, so you don't need to buy the separate one. Pero if you want, there's a couple of cases that are available. It also comes with the standard ejector pin. One thing you might notice in the video, I had a hard time of finding the SIM tray. So it's hard when it's all black and it's all glossy and malabo mata katulad ko. But one of the drawbacks of the Xiaomi Mi 90 or the K20 that we found out when we opened it, because I have never touched a model like this before, is that it has purely internal storage only. So you can't use expandable memory, or you can't put a SD card in the phone. So the 64 and the 128 internal memory is all the memory that you have. As you can see there, that at the top, that's the pop-up camera for the selfie. So yeah, we found it. It's in the bottom. Okay, as you can see when we open it, it only has two SIM slots. Okay, both are nano SIM slots. So you're gonna have a problem if you have micro SIM cards. But we found out yesterday, you can just go to any smart store. Kasi my uncle's phone is using smart the micro SIM pa, so they just gave us a SIM card, and it was a DIY on how to activate it, transfer your current number to the new SIM card. We'll do a different video for that one, and we'll upload it as soon as possible. Okay, so this is a 6GB phone, 128GB storage, triple camera in the back and single camera in the front. The blue, the gradient color in the blue, ang ganda, no? We're lucky that someone else was buying at the same time the same phone, different color only. We're gonna be opening the front camera so that you can see it pop up. Ang cute niya, no? When it pop ups, there's a small red line of lights around the phone. It has 4,000 milliamperes na battery. It's a 6.39-inch phone na 2340 by 1080 AMOLED screen, 19 by 5 by 9 display. It uses a Qualcomm Snapdragon